Hello guys and welcome to Hakman Traders. In this video I'll be showing to you guys how much should you invest in the stock market. Now to answer this question you must ask this question from yourself. How much can you invest in the stock market? How much are you willing to invest in the stock market? Now I might show you guys that this much amount or this much, but at last in the end it all depends upon you. How much can you invest in the stock market? How much money have you saved kept aside to invest in the stock market? It all depends upon you. So I might guide you on the way through, but it all at the end you will have to take the decision of investing how much money you want to invest in the stock market. Now generally there's an assumption. The assumption might I might say that I've also watched heard this from videos on YouTube and investors as well, that only invest that money into the stock market which you have kept aside and you do not need that money. Well, people need money, but that money is that it is like kind of useless, and it is out of my everything, my emergency fund, my learning and my entertainment. It is all it is mm, almost aside from that money. Like I have that money aside, and this is something else. So invest that money into the stock market. Do not invest your money that you have kept for something that you want to invest, for something that you want to buy. Do not invest that money into the stock market. So always invest that money that you say that this kept aside, so let me invest this into the stock market and see what happens. So do that kind of thing. And always, if you are a new trader, you do not know about the stock market, or you do not know what's happening around, so I would prefer you invest small amount of money, not large amount of money. Maybe invest like $200, $100, $300, $500. Do not invest more than that, because if you invest more you might lose more. If you invest this much amount of money, like $200, 500, you wouldn't care that much. You would care, but not that much. And if you lose heavier amount of money like 5,000, 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, then it will hit you harder. So sorry about that. So my suggestion here would be that you invest little amount of money, trade for some while. When you learn a lot, then that's great, invest more. That's greater, invest more money into the stock market when you are buying. And you'll also have learned many new things while trading stocks. Because when I've purchased the stocks, I didn't know a lot of things, and as I'm trading, it's been quite a while that I'm trading now. I've also started my investment from smaller amount, that was maybe $200 or something like that. But I'm at Pakistan, so I'm saying this in US dollars. So it was basically up to that much. 25,000 rupees equal to how much US dollars? I do not know that at this time. I do not know that. So I've invested at that time. Now, as I got more comfortable, I've invested maybe up till $900 or $1,000. So that's much investment I made in the stock market. Now let's see how much money I've invested into the stock market. PKR to USD. Now let's see what happens here. I've invested generally 25,000 in the beginning, so that is $162. After I've trading in the stock market, my trading got better. Then I've invested more amount, up to 100,000. Yes, so it was $651. So this was my deposits in the stock market. The first was $25,000, that is $165. 25,000 rupees, $165, because this is the amount that I might say that I do not care about this amount if I lose it. But I would care much more if I lose much heavier amount, and I would worry more, because that is the amount that I'm going to lose. So I'm not I can't take that much risk. At the end, as I said in the beginning, that at the end it all depends upon you. If you are comfortable losing your money, if you are comfortable taking risk, so it's great to invest more money into the stock market and trade more. And also I would suggest that do not take much more leverage. Always take leverage that you can bear, you can tolerate. So that much risk, that much leverage you can take. By leverage I mean short selling, short selling, or let's say futures, investing in the futures. So that those are the things that uh, you should be worth noticing. So sorry about that. So always, if you are new to trading, I would also say that if you are new to trading, you do not know the stock market much, invest little money. And if you are an experienced trader, that I do not mean that experience by experience I do not mean that you have traded stocks for 5 to 10 years, not that thing. By experience I mean you have watched YouTube, you have learned a lot about the stock market, you knew the ups and downs about the stock market, you knew at what area what can happen, you know different strategies. By experience I mean those things. So then you can invest an amount heavily, but you always follow the plan, have a plan in place, have a plan, do your risk margin. Wherever you are investing, always do your risk management. I've also faced difficulties in the beginning, so now I'm comfortable trading. I do not use stop losses, but further on I'm planning to use stop losses in place, because there is one thing that I've noted: when the stock prices drops, it goes back to its normal value. So those are the things that I've noticed in the stock market. So always when you are investing in the stock market, always look out for stocks that you that are trading mostly. When if you invest in stocks that are not trading in the stock market, that are not trading for a while, then there is no need. Do not invest in those type of stocks. Always opt for those stocks that are trading heavily and you see value in those stocks. So always invest in those type of stocks whenever there is a chance. So opt for those stocks, because the stock market and at the end, enjoy the journey. The stock market is all about enjoying the journey. So enjoy the journey, enjoy the ride, how far the stocks can reach. So enjoy enjoy the value of the stocks. Sorry, enjoy the journey of the stock market, because if you enjoy the journey, you will learn many new things. Enjoy the ride. It's a roller coaster. So the candlesticks, the charts, those are all the roller coasters. So enjoy the ride, enjoy the journey, uh, um, and be careful investing in the stock market. Be careful investing. Take such steps that you can bear, you can tolerate. So, and that's it for today. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos and want to learn more about the stock market or the forex market. All I need you is to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button and comment down below, as your feedback is valuable for me. Goodbye.